Wow. Personna Gem Razor Blade. It's been out for quite a while. I've never used it. One of our channel members, Jeff Palmer, sent it to me, and I'm going to be using the Rockwell 6S with the 6 plate just because I know I'm well versed with this razor with several different blades. Personna is my baseline razor. I'm actually using the Lab Blues now, which are the AccuForge blades. And what I have found is those razor blades, there's no duds. Like I used to be a Gillette Nasset guy, and I kept getting duds, and it's not a good idea to use duds when you're trying to, perfect your craft on shaving and practice technique, because hell, it was the damn blade, and here I'm thinking it's my technique where it was not. All the other Gillette razor blades are the same way. There's quite a few duds in a 100-pack, in a 10-pack, in a 5-pack. You might even get one. It's just, it just amazes me. So I'm going to give this one a try and see how it goes. But thanks, Jeff. Never used this, but it's on 6. Now I do have 5 days of growth, so I have a ton of growth here. So it's really going to put this razor and blade to the test. But again, I've used this Rockwell 6S so many times that I'm very well versed and very good at using this razor. Very, very nice. Actually, probably a little. Wow. Man, I'm already very impressed. I can see why a lot of people like this. Very sharp, very smooth shave. I mean, granted, I use this razor all the time. Wow, I'm just surprised more people aren't talking about this razor blade. All right, where did I go there? Wow. I'm telling you, that's super smooth and sharp. Yep, I'm going to be buying 100 of these. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Oh boy. I'm telling you, it's super slick. Now, granted, this is Ariana and Evans, which I use pretty much on every shave. This blade is so slick. Let's see how it details. I can't believe I've never tried this blade. All right, let's give this a rinse. Wow, that's probably the best razor blade I've ever put on my face. I don't know. That is just crazy good. I mean, crazy good. Mm. I think that might be sharper than a feather. And it glides much smoother. And it went through 5 days of growth with no problem. I gotta say, that is super smooth, brother. This is, oh, too much water. This is probably the best razor blade I've used. That was super, super smooth and sharp. I mean, granted, it's, you know, all right, let me finish with this and we'll go over it. Across the grain. So good. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Damn good. I'm really impressed. Thanks, Jeff, for sending them to me. I'm going to be ordering 100 of those. I really like it. I've read some reviews on it just online. Nothing really special, you know. People aren't like saying, oh my gosh, it's the best blade out there. It's not it. It's not what they're saying. I'm going to tell you that's the case. Switch just the cold here. Yeah, I'm going to go in with an alum block here. I got to say, now this is my tell-all right here, so I'm going to figure a little bit more of this out. No stinging. No stinging. A little bit. Oh, wait. No. Yeah, a little bit right here. A little bit right there. I think I might have got a weeper right here. Just not taking my time. That's more driver error. And that blade's super sharp. But this alum block is a tell-all. I mean, if it stings, you know, you got it a little too close there. Your, what do you call it? Technique was off. Or, yeah, your technique was off. Me, I think I might have just been flying through it and really wasn't paying attention. I let that alum sit on my face for a little bit. I just rinse it off like so. Oh, man. All right. I'm highly impressed. That might be my new baseline blade. They're way less expensive than the AccuForge blades that I use. I mean, I bought 250 of these. I've probably gone through, I don't know, maybe 100, maybe 50. And I give a lot of these away. I give a lot of razors away. And then, you know, I give a lot of razors away. And with that, I give blades, soaps, brushes, you name it. This razor blade, brother, go out and buy it. I don't have an affiliate link with it, so, you know, I would just go and, you know, Personna Gem razor, and I'll put up a link that I found for it, but make sure it matches the picture and, you know, the writing on the blade. Don't accept anything less. I could not find this on Amazon. So I'm going to put it back in there because I might see how many shaves I can get out of that. Generally during the week, I shave once, sometimes twice, depending on the season. And so I'm just going to load it back in there. I did clean it real quick, but it was so freaking smooth on my face. What is it compared to? It's a step above like a Gillette Platinum. It's definitely a step above. I'd say it's right there with a Kai blade, which I think Kai blades are better than feather blades anyway. I mean, to me, feather blades are like really rough on my face. I know a lot of you guys like them and you shave every day and you wonder why you get irritation, you know, when you shave every day. And I got to tell you, it's the blade you're using. It's just way too rugged. This razor blade is Japanese high grade stainless steel. I can't give it enough praise. I'm going to shave with it again, but it just went through 5 days of growth like butter. Didn't even feel it. Now, granted, I am using a great soap by Ariana and Evans. That has something to play with it. My technique has something to play with it. I did get a little close right there, so I got a little carried away with it just because you could easily maneuver that around your face. And shaving with that Rockwell 6S, I got to tell you, that's a great combination. 6 plate for me. If you have a 6, any of the 6s, a 6C or a 6S, bump it up to a 6 one time and see how it does in your face. You're going to be surprised. It's just a little more aggressive, and man, it's a great result. So thumbs up to Personna, the gem razor. Thumbs up. I love it. Highly recommend it. I'm going to be running out and buying 100 of them myself. Well, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next Sunday at 11 a.m. Have a great week. Come on, America.